Hey, what's up, everybody? Just wanted to show you guys Cubelets. If you haven't seen Cubelets before, something we're using for our gifted students and just challenging our students for science. So we're going to take these out of the box. This is the 12 set, the 12 pack of Cubelets. They come in 6, 12, and 20 packages. And just going to show you that. So first thing we've got a user manual, as well as some challenge cards, which those are pretty neat, something I'll show you in just a moment. But just going to unbox everything here for you. USB charger cable, which controls one of your cubes, your motor cube. And I'm just going to break everything, take it out of the box, and show you guys real quick. So I've got the 12 pack for our students. We have motion cubes, 2 motion cubes. You have your motor cube, on-off switch, and your charger port. So it goes right there. I'll get to that one in a moment. You have a sensor cube. You have 2 of those. Get the other one here. So 2 sensor cubes. We have a light cube. A light sensor cube, which is a little different from just the sensor cube itself. We have a rotating cube. So this one will rotate. And then we have a Bluetooth cube because you can use an app to control this as well. Then we have 3 various cubes. One is a passive cube. One is a reverse cube, so it's going to reverse the input. And then one is a block, so you can stop the input of your cube. So the way that these work, very simple. You use your motor cube. You're going to use that with, let's say, a sensor cube. And we can combine our sensor cube with a wheel cube, and together from that now we have made a simple machine, a simple robot. So I'm just going to show you how that works. We turn it on. LED lets you know that it's on there. We have flashing LEDs in the other blocks to show you that we do have signal there. So I'm going to set this cube down, and as you can see, I now have a cube that, so you can see it a little better, as I sit it down, the sensor will draw it to me, and so it's going to pick up and read wherever you are. So there are all kinds of little challenges that you can do with your students. Really pushes the engineering process on success and failure, that they have to keep trying, because every time you switch a cube around, it now has a different property and does something different. For instance, if I switch this sensor cube to the back side, rather than being one that is drawn to my hand, it is now pushed away from my hand. So Cubelets, give them a shot. Give them a check out. If you haven't used those before, make sure you check those out for your students, for robotics, for science, anything like that. But that's it, guys. Enjoy.